You can turn your normal looking videos into something more cinematic, as we all want our videos to be aesthetic, cinematic, and of high quality. The thing is, you even overcomplicate the process, but wait, I found the secret potion to solving all this problem. Color. And by the end of this video, you will learn how to color grade your videos like a pro, even without having any knowledge of how to color grade, and even with no stress. And you'll be able to do this on the Capcut application easily and quickly. Do want to subscribe to the channel if you've not subscribed, and hit the notification bell so that whenever I drop a video, you'll be notified about it. Let's head over to the Capcut app so that we'll do wonders.
First things first, you import your video. When you import your video, as I said at the beginning, video color grading is actually very simple. That is when you're doing it on Capcut. Why? Because Capcut has given you everything you need. What you just need to do is you just need to add the color grade or the color filter that you want it to be in your video. Or yes, you can even actually do it manually. What you just need to do is you can do it from adding filters or from adjusting. Filters, these are the templates that you can just tap on and use the filters that are there for you. Or you can come to adjust and do the adjustment by yourself. You increase the brightness, the contrast, and a whole lot of them. And also you can be able to merge the both of them together if one of it doesn't suit your taste. So let's watch the video first before we add a color or a filter. So this is a video that is fast. Let's say a chase scene. Let's call it more like a chase scene where we are chasing the car in front. So it needs something that is fast, like something that looks more like a chase scene, a color that will suit a chase scene very well. So let's click on okay. But first, before we even start adding the colors, let's add an effect. Let's add an effect to suit the chase scene, video effect. Let's say we'll go for this dark effect where the chase is like this. Okay, so what we need to add more is, okay, let us edit this one first. We adjust it, we adjust the size and adjust everything. What we do is we go to filter and then we choose, since this is more like a movie scene, we can click on movies and then we choose one color that suits what we want to do. Let's say Black Panther. And yeah, we can either increase the saturation or increase how we want the effect to be, or reduce it. But for this, I'll increase it to the maximum and then we'll play the video. And yes, this is it. This is how it looks. And also we can also get to, if this one doesn't really suit what you want, you need to do a lot more adjustments by yourself. What you can be able to do is you can click on adjust and another layer will come out. When this layer come out, you can increase the brightness, the contrast, the saturation, and yeah, the everything, the brilliance. Now while you're doing all this one, it will be taking place while you're editing. You'll be seeing all your edits as you're doing the edits, and after doing this you have this. And yes, this is how you can be able to use your mobile phone to do this. You can do this in any type of video that you want to do. In sit down videos, you can decide to use something that is smooth, something that is cozy, something that is calm. Or if it is a love scene, you can be able to use something that looks more cozy. And yes, this is how you can be able to do this on your mobile phone. How about we take it to the next level and I show you how you can be able to do this on your laptop PC. When the video is already imported into the timeline of your editing app, that is the Capcut PC, and you're done editing the video, make sure that you're connected to the internet on your PC, and then you go over to the filter panel on the top of the screen. Choose the filter that best suits what you're doing, and you should know, as for me, this is the filter, this is the Berlin filter that I will choose because it likely suits me and I use it in almost all my videos. And yes, after this, you can go over to the adjustment panel. That is, if this filter is not enough for you, and add some more adjustments to your taste. That is, you add all the adjustments you need so that it will suit your taste. And yes, add more colors to your videos. And when you're satisfied, then you are done. Now, with this step, I edited this log video from the Canon R5, and I have also been doing the same edits on the other short form videos that I create too. And with these steps, you can actually be able to do this easily.
I hope this color grading video actually helped you. Know how you can be able to color grade your videos quickly and easily. And yeah, I'll see you in my next video. Peace.